Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the Navy Federal app review to see if it's worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. The Navy Federal app is a well-rounded mobile banking tool that makes it easy for members to manage accounts, transfer money, deposit check, pay bills, and even apply for loans or credit card. It also includes card controls, biometric login, and a real-time alert, giving users both convenient and strong security features. For members of the credit union, it's a reliable way to stay on top of finance from anywhere. That said, the app isn't without flaws. Android user is particularly reports login issues and glitches after update, which can be frustrating. Plus, it's only available to those eligible for Navy Federal membership, so access is limited. In my conclusion, the Navy app is worth using if you qualify and offering a secure, featured, rich banking experience, but expect occasional technical hiccup from the app. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.